AI has made it ridiculously easy to breathe new life into old YouTube niches, and one niche in particular is quietly exploding: animal storytelling. Imagine this: a small channel using nothing but a ginger cat and its kitten to tell heartwarming tales. That's exactly what Tail Ripple Media is doing. And here's the kicker: they've already racked up 200,000 subscribers in just 3 months. One of their videos? A simple story about a kitten's adventure. It pulled in 25 million views. And they're not the only ones. There's another channel in this niche with 280,000 subscribers and over 35 videos crossing the 1 million view mark. So what's their secret? And better yet, how can you do it too? Stick around, because I'm about to break it all down step by step. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll set up your channel and make sure it's branded and optimized for success. Then, I'll show you how to craft emotional stories, generate stunning visuals with AI, animate them, and edit everything together like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start your own viral channel. Let's dive in. Step 1: Create and brand your channel. Your channel is your foundation. Start by choosing a name that reflects your niche. For example, Tail Ripple Media instantly gives off warm, animal-friendly vibes. Not sure where to start? Use AI. Tools like ChatGPT can generate creative name ideas in seconds. I have provided best name generation prompt in this video description. Next, let's talk branding. Use Google FX to design a simple, eye-catching logo and banner. Your goal is to make your channel feel like a cozy space where viewers can escape into stories. Finally, write a compelling channel description. Focus on keywords like heartwarming animal stories to boost SEO. I've provided best prompts you will use in this video description. Step 2: Write relatable stories. Your stories are the soul of your channel. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, but here's the key: emotion. For example, instead of saying, "A kitten got lost and came home," say, "A tiny kitten braved the rain, searching for shelter, until a warm light in the distance led her home." That emotional depth is what keeps viewers watching. Write your stories in short, vivid paragraphs. And remember, the more relatable and heartwarming, the better. If you're stuck, think about moments from your own life or adapt classic tales with a modern twist. Step 3: Generate visuals with AI. Now it's time to bring your story to life using visuals. This is where your imagination truly takes shape. Tools like MidJourney or DALL are perfect for this, but I'm still going to use Google FX. They allow you to generate stunning characters, environments, and scenes that match your story perfectly. For instance, instead of just imagining a scene in your head, you could type a prompt like, "A tiny ginger kitten sitting under a rainy streetlight, with soft reflections on the wet pavement and a warm, golden glow from the lamp." The key here is detail. The more descriptive you are in your prompts, mentioning colors, lighting, textures, emotions, and even the style of art, the more precise and beautiful your generated images will be. Don't be afraid to experiment and iterate. Tweak your descriptions, try different angles, or even mix styles to see what works best. Once you have your images, you're no longer just telling a story with words, you're showing it. These visuals can become the foundation for animations, video content, or even interactive storytelling experiences. By combining your narrative with these carefully crafted visuals, you give your audience an immersive journey that feels alive, engaging, and unforgettable. Step 4: Animate and edit. This is where the magic happens. Animation is what turns your static images into a story that moves, breathes, and captivates your audience. After generating your visuals from Google FX, you can bring them into 2.2 in Pollo AI to create professional quality animations without needing advanced skills. The software allows you to sequence your images smoothly, add transitions, and control timing so every scene feels intentional. Keep your clips short, around 5 seconds per scene, to maintain momentum and keep viewers engaged. Long, static shots can make your video feel slow, so aim for quick, digestible bursts of action that keep the story moving. Smooth transitions, like crossfades, wipes, or subtle motion effects, will help your visuals flow naturally from one scene to the next. Now that your visuals and animations are ready, it's time to give them life through sound. This is the stage that transforms your video from something good into something unforgettable. Start by bringing all your clips into Canva. It's not just a design tool anymore, it's a powerful video editor where you can add your animations, transitions, text overlays, and branding elements in one place. Use Canva to arrange your clips in order, adjust timing, and make sure every scene connects smoothly. Once you've built your visual sequence, it's time to add sound. Sound is the final piece of the puzzle. It sets the tone, emotion, and energy of your entire story. Choose background music that enhances the feeling of each moment. For a calm or emotional scene, a soft piano or ambient melody works beautifully. For cheerful or exciting parts, go for something upbeat and rhythmic. You can find plenty of copyright-free tracks in the YouTube Music Library, or explore free platforms like Pixabay Audio. Both offer safe, no copyright options you can use freely in your videos. Next, don't overlook sound effects. Small details make a big difference. Add the gentle meow of a cat, the sound of raindrops, or footsteps echoing in the distance. These subtle touches make your story feel immersive and real. Think of sound effects as the atmosphere that breathes life into your visuals. If you want to take it a step further, consider adding a voiceover. This is where innovation meets storytelling. You can record your own voice for a personal touch, or use an AI-powered voice from platforms like 11 Labs or other text-to-speech tools. A clear, expressive voice helps guide your viewers through the story and keeps them emotionally connected. Finally, review everything as a whole: music, effects, and narration. Make sure the sound doesn't overpower the visuals, and that the timing of each cue aligns with what's happening on screen. When done right, your sound design will elevate your entire video, making it not just something people watch, but something they truly feel. Finally, upload your masterpiece. Use a title that sparks curiosity, like "How a Brave Kitten Found Her Way Home." Pair it with a thumbnail that captures the emotion of your story. This is how you get those all-important clicks. About thumbnail also, you will get best prompts in video description and use Google FX. Every viral channel starts with a single story. And now, you have everything you need to start yours. If you're ready to take the leap, check out the free resources in the description. They'll save you hours of trial and error. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you'll love my next video where I dive into the top 5 viral niches for 2025 and 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. See you there.